What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to this Hard Trance Kick and Bass tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how I create a Hard Trance Kick and Bass from the ground up. The video will cover everything from choosing the right sounding kick, tuning the kick to the bass and what processing I use for that hard trance sound. I'll be creating each layer and unique bass pattern from scratch, as well as talking you through the characteristics of the bass layers and their job within the bass line. I'll also be going through the full effects chain in detail for the kick and the basses and the reasons why each effect is added. I'll also be going through everything such as the shape, textures, mixing, processing and effects of each layer so that you can create a solid, raw and punchy sound. All of this will be done in real time with nothing pre-planned, so you get a complete understanding of the thought process behind everything I do and why. So if you're wanting to learn how to get that hard trance sound, or if you're struggling to get your kick and bass sounding right, then be sure to check this out at allanmorrowstudios.com.